Hey, let's talk about the law of attraction. So, the law of attraction is one of the universal laws of the universe, and I think it was probably made public or it got a lot of hype based off the movie or the book, The Secret. And they did a great job of actually breaking down the law of attraction and why it's so prevalent and how it's been a law that's been in basically in our universe forever since the beginning of time. And the whole problem with it is it's oversimplified, right? People kind of look at the law of attraction as you think of something and you keep thinking about it, and then therefore you will attract it. But truth be told, that's not really how the law of attraction works. And I'm telling you this from my own personal experience because I've watched the movie The Secret, I read the book, and I got into a big rabbit hole of just kind of really digging into the information and studying via gurus and whatnot. And must say, I feel like I have a pretty good understanding of what the law of attraction is. And during all that, digging and diving, I found that the law of attraction, the most important part of the law of attraction is actually not necessarily the law. It's not the law of attraction itself, if that makes any sense. In order to actually be in tune with the law of attraction, you have to understand the law of vibration. So the law of vibration is actually almost like a prerequisite to the law of attraction. The law of attraction, or I'm sorry, the law of vibration states that our world, we live on frequencies. Our whole world is a huge line of frequencies. And in order to be able to attract different things that you want, you have to be in the same frequency as it. Think of frequencies as a radio station. If you want to listen to hip hop, you tune on the FM radio into whatever hip hop station or whatever station plays hip hop music. Now, if you went and switched your radio into an AM dial, you wouldn't be able to hear that hip hop radio station because you're in a totally different frequency. That's exactly how frequencies work in the real world as well. So a good example of that is, say you're looking to make six figures, you're looking to create a six-figure business based off something that you are very passionate about. Now, in order to actually attract opportunities and ideas that will help you achieve that goal, you have to be in the same frequency as that goal. And that was a big aha moment for me. So you can't be in a state of mind where you are thinking lack, limitation. You're trying very hard, you're grinding, you're bootstrapping, and you can't be in that same frequency and assume that you're going to attract that six-figure passion income. It's just not going to happen. It's, one is in the FM dial and then the other is in the AM dial. You have to get right into that same frequency, be in the right state of mind in order to be able to attract that towards you. So, yeah. So that's kind of that's really kind of the oversimplified way to troubleshoot the law of attraction, if you will. So, yeah, if you like that video, definitely subscribe. I would love it if you give me the like. I will continue to share some of these videos, and I look forward to kind of sharing how I learned and troubleshooted the law of attraction and you built the lifestyle that I really wanted to build for myself, and how I continue to use it to build different income streams, and how I create my goals and my lifestyle around the law of attraction. So yeah, that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.